Hi, Eric Marsh, 68 Firebird from Plain City, Utah. When I bought the car about 10 years ago, it had a brand new Summit Crate 350 in it. Left it alone, just dressed it up a little bit. Serpentine belt on the front, did vintage air. And then I dropped, everything's fine inside. I have no problems with it. For the suspension, I did 1.5 inch drop on all 4 corners with Bilstein and Hotchkiss. I did the disc brake conversion myself. And 18-inch US mags, and I had the centers of the wheels painted the same color as the stripe on the car. It's just a flat black 9300 pigment. The car is actually a Mercedes-Benz Polar Silver. I just thought it looked a little better in the sunlight than some of the other silvers out there. And then I've always been a fan of having the panel around the taillights painted differently. I've always liked that look. The interior is basically stock except for the console. When I bought the car, it was pretty raggedy, and I didn't feel like having it refurbished. And I went ahead and put a B&M Quicksilver in there. Takes a bit to learn how to drive those, but once you learn it, you'll love them. I absolutely love them. One of the proudest things on the car is my mother was a big hot rod fan, so I had a buddy of mine. He hand airbrushed all that stuff on the dash, on the glove box cover. And that saying right there is on my mother's gravestone. So the car's named Catherine after my mom. I still have the original bird glass too, which is a rarity on the first gens. I got new rubber seals, so everything's still a little tight. But I've got the bird glass. That's why I don't mess with the windows much. I don't want them to get broken. I just wipe them down every once in a while, but that's pretty rare. I have it on both sides. And as far as I know, it is original because the glass is all chipped up. So I don't think anybody cheated. I know I didn't.